Hello viewers, you're welcome to Pi Everyday YouTube channel. In this video or this series of videos, I'm going to take you through the introduction of Python, for which by the close of these videos or by the close of watching these videos, you'll be able to write your own Python codes or write your own Python applications. These are simple applications that you'll be able to write. Okay, so I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and then also like the video you are currently watching. Thank you. We are moving on to the introduction to Python programming. So I will take you through the overview to let you know what Python programming is and then some other importance that you need to know about Python. So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. So when we talk of a popular programming language, most of the people in the industry know about Python. So Python was created by Guido van Rossum and was released in 1991. It is also used for web development, software development, mathematics, system scripting, data visualization, data analysis, machine learning, and also artificial intelligence. Okay, so what can you also do with Python? Python can be done with many things. So these things that have been listed here or has been stated here is not limited to the uses or what you can do with Python. Okay, so these are some few other things that you can also do with Python. So Python can be used on a server to create web applications. So with Python you can create web applications such as Facebook, Instagram, etc. So we have some examples of frameworks that can help you create Python web applications. That is the Django, the Flask, and many other frameworks that can help you create your Python web applications. Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. It can also use to read and also modify files. So talking about the database systems, you can use Python to connect to database systems such as the MySQL, Postgres, and then also the Postman and all those kinds of database management systems. Python can be used to handle big data and then also perform complex mathematics. So you can use Python to handle large data or big data, and then also can also use Python to perform complex mathematical operations or mathematics. So talking of the algebra, polynomials, and all those kinds of things, you can use Python to perform those kinds of applications. Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. So it can help you do rapid prototyping, that's helping you to produce a ready software development. Why Python? So you can ask yourself, why am I learning Python, or why do I have to learn Python? So Python works on different platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. So with Python, the syntax is very simple and then similar to the English language. The only thing that you need to know is just to master the simple syntax and then you are good to go. So with Python, you don't need to. It's unlike some other programming languages that has some complex syntax as compared to Python. And then Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages. So with Python, you can write a fewer lines of code to perform a complex function for you or a complex activities for you. So unlike some other programming languages that you need to write huge lines of code to perform even a single or a simple task for you. Yes. Then Python also runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. This means that Python can be very quick. Yes, Python can be very quick. So because it runs on an interpreter, so you need not to export your file or your Python file to some kind of other format or do something else before you can run your Python application. As soon as you finish writing the codes, you can run them and then see the feedback. Python can be treated in procedural way, an object-oriented way, or functional way. Yes, so Python can be treated in either a procedural way or using the classes and then the procedures to write your codes. Good to know, the good to know, or what you need to know about Python. Most recent major versions of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to concentrate on Python 3. However, Python 2, although not being updated with anything other than security 8 updates, is still quite popular. But in this video, we're going to concentrate on using the Python 3. In this tutorial, Python will be written in a text editor. So in this tutorial, we're going to use the Sublime Text as our text editor. And it is also possible if you can use Python in integrated development environments such as the Tony, PyCharm, NetBeans, Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Yes, so you can also use some other IDEs, which we have some other IDEs which were not mentioned here. So you can go search for them and then you get them so that you can also use this. But in this video, we are going to concentrate on using the Sublime Text. Sure. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.